Tori, you're somebody who's an incredible digital marketer that I really look up to and respect, in your thoughtfulness and the approach and the completeness of the way that you go through thinking through the funnel. Right now, what are you absolutely like creating on AI that you're loving that's really changing results for you?
Yeah, I mean, there's so much. First off, appreciate the kind words. There is so much. I think the biggest thing that I'm like nerding out about is probably the reporting side, which is drastically different than where everybody else is going. I feel like everybody's so zoned in or honed in on like the creative front. There's so many tools, there's so much cool stuff going on there. But like connecting an MCP to like a data warehouse is something incredible that I've never been able to see before. So like one of the big things we're doing right now is mapping all the orders from as far as we can reach back, first click, all the way to the back, of basically the very last order of someone and running an MCP through it. Ours is Claude. We run it through the Snowflake database and basically pull out as many insights as we can. Right now we have like 9 billion rows of data. There's no way a human can actually sort through this. So us going through and trying to find basically anything we can out of this and say like piece this together, show me some insights that I wouldn't be able to pull on my own. Stuff like that is super incredible. Um, yeah, there's a lot on the reporting side that I'm just like going really deep on. Still hitting the creative side a lot, but the reporting is where I'm spending a lot of time the last few weeks.
So let me just jump in for a sec. So you have does all of your clients' data separately, obviously, like in separate warehouses, and you're going through and you're building report. Like, what was your reporting before versus what is it now, and how has it helped you make better decisions?
Yeah, as far as like reporting before, standardized spreadsheet stuff, supermetrics, BigQuery kind of stuff, pulling it out, throwing it into a spreadsheet. As good as AI is, you still need like the granularity in like a spreadsheet sometimes. I just feel like you still can't beat it, right? So the
Mhm.
client facing reporting is still like spreadsheet focused. But for example, if we standardize our naming convention across everything and have the exact same UT and parameters across every single ad that goes across every single ad account, we could say, hey, tell me how UGC performs to females across every single client in the month of March. And it would tell us exactly what happened, right? Tell me how it performs to men. Tell me the age of the model, right? So if we name the ads, angle, model, age range, hair color, hook, length, right? And just keep going. Now, if that's standardized, we could say, hey, pull format 6, tell me, the like comparisons across all of our clients throughout March and what has the best ROAS, right? Or what has the lowest CPA. And then what we're taking on top of that is we're tying this to customer lifetime value with identity mapping. So we'll be able to tell you what the customer lifetime value is instantly. So as soon as someone finishes an order, we push that customer lifetime value back and we end up tagging that in the warehouse. So we're able to say, hey, this is generating the highest customer lifetime value customers. UGC, blonde hair model, 25 to 34 with this hook.
Nice.